Imagine a world where scientific discoveries that once took decades are now made in weeks, where supercomputers can design life-saving drugs, decode complex genomes, and even suggest new laws of physics. That world is no longer science fiction, thanks to artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of science. This is how AI is accelerating scientific research. Let's face it, scientific research is slow. It involves years of hypothesis testing, manual experimentation, and countless failures. Researchers often sift through mountains of data, only to find a few useful patterns. But here's the thing. Our knowledge is growing faster than our ability to process it. We're drowning in data. That's where AI steps in. Artificial intelligence doesn't just crunch numbers, it learns from them. Machine learning algorithms can spot patterns, predict outcomes, and optimize processes at lightning speed. Where humans see noise, AI finds structure. Where we see complexity, AI sees opportunity. And in science, that changes everything. It enables us to ask better questions, test faster hypotheses, and generate deeper insights. Let's start with healthcare. Traditionally, it takes around 10 years and over $2 billion to bring a new drug to market. But now, AI models like DeepMind's AlphaFold can predict the 3D structure of proteins, key to understanding disease, in hours. Other platforms like in silico medicine use AI to generate entirely new drug compounds, simulating their effects before they're ever created in a lab. This isn't just faster, it's smarter. It means fewer failed clinical trials, personalized treatments, and potentially cures for diseases that were once untreatable. AI is not just optimizing medicine, it's reinventing it. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges of our time, and AI is helping us understand it better. Machine learning models are used to simulate global climate systems, predict extreme weather events, and optimize renewable energy use. For example, Google's DeepMind built a model that can accurately forecast rainfall within 90 minutes, outperforming traditional meteorological methods. That kind of precision saves lives and time. It also helps farmers plan harvests, cities plan infrastructure, and nations prepare for natural disasters with better foresight. AI gives us the clarity to act quickly in the face of uncertainty. Genomics is another field exploding thanks to AI. Sequencing a genome once took years, now it takes hours. But AI goes even further. It helps identify genetic mutations linked to disease, predicts how genes interact, and guides precision medicine. Tools like CRISPR are getting smarter with AI assistance, allowing scientists to design better gene editing strategies. In synthetic biology, AI helps engineer organisms to produce biofuels, pharmaceuticals, and even new materials on demand. We're not just decoding life, we're programming it. With AI, we can now model life itself at the molecular level. Imagine designing new materials not by trial and error, but by asking an AI what atomic combination works best. That's already happening. AI models are predicting the properties of unknown materials before they're synthesized. For example, researchers at the University of Liverpool used AI to automate materials discovery, creating a new crystal structure in just 5 days, something that would have taken years. This opens doors to better batteries, stronger alloys, lighter vehicles, and even self-healing materials that can repair themselves after damage. Entire industries may be reshaped by these breakthroughs. Even the cosmos is within reach. In astrophysics, AI is scanning billions of images from space telescopes to identify galaxies, supernovae, and even exoplanets. At CERN, AI helps sift through data from the Large Hadron Collider, analyzing millions of collisions per second to detect signs of new particles. In theoretical physics, AI is proposing new equations and helping simulate complex systems beyond human capacity. We're not just accelerating discovery, we're rewriting the rules of the universe. AI could help answer questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Now here's something crucial. AI isn't replacing scientists, it's empowering them. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, the calculations, the data analysis, so that humans can focus on creativity, ethical questions, and big picture thinking. The best results come from human-AI collaboration, not competition. Together they form a hybrid intelligence, greater than the sum of its parts. The future scientist will not work alone. They will think alongside machines. Let's look at a few real-world success stories. Benevolent A. I helped identify a potential COVID-19 treatment, baricitinib, in record time. DeepMind's AlphaFold solved the protein folding problem, a grand challenge of biology, ahead of human labs. MIT researchers used AI to discover halicin, a completely new antibiotic resistant to known resistance mechanisms. NASA's Kepler mission used AI to confirm new exoplanets from data that had been sitting untouched for years. These aren't isolated cases, they're signs of a scientific revolution, and this is just the beginning. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI in science also raises serious ethical questions. Who owns the data? How do we prevent bias in scientific models? Can we trust AI-generated results without peer review? There's a danger in treating AI as a black box oracle. Scientific integrity demands transparency. We must ensure AI research is auditable, explainable, and reproducible. Otherwise, we risk trading slow science for fast science fiction. So what's next? Expect more autonomous labs that run 24/7. Expect AI agents that suggest entirely new scientific questions. Expect collaborations between humans and machines that blur the line between tool and partner. In this future, science evolves not linearly, but exponentially. We will go from discovering new things to creating entirely new fields of science. From reverse engineering nature to redesigning it. With AI as our co-pilot, we'll move faster and dream bigger than ever before. The age of intelligent discovery has arrived. Artificial intelligence is not just a tool, it's a catalyst, a multiplier, a partner in our quest for knowledge. And in the hands of scientists, it's helping to build the future faster than ever before. If you believe in accelerating human evolution through science, biohacking, and AI, subscribe to Hexagon. Together we'll bring the future into the present. Like, comment, and share this video if you want more content about science, tech, and the future of humanity. Until next time, stay curious.